In Excel, when you apply filters to your data, you may want the calculated values, such as sums or averages, to update based only on the visible filtered data. This is exactly where the subtotal function becomes very useful. Today, we will explore how to use the subtotal function in Excel 365 to calculate totals or averages that reflect only the filtered data, not the hidden rows. First, start by selecting a cell where you want your result to appear. Then, enter the formula using the function name subtotal. It's important to write the function name correctly so Excel can recognize it. Next, you'll choose a function number inside the formula. This number tells Excel what kind of operation you want to perform, such as averaging, finding the maximum or minimum value, or summing up the numbers. For instance, if you want to calculate the total, you can use the appropriate function number for sum. After choosing the function number, you need to select the range of cells you want to apply the calculation to. In this example, let's say you want to sum up the scores of all students. When no filter is applied, Excel will calculate the total of all values in the selected range. For example, if the total score for all students is 104 before any filter is applied, you will see that number. Now, let's say you apply a filter to show only students from Vietnam. Immediately, you'll see that the result of the subtotal function updates to reflect only those visible rows. This means it will now show the total score of students from Vietnam only. If you change the filter to display students from the Philippines or from Indonesia and Vietnam together, the total will adjust again based on the new filtered data. That's the key benefit of using the subtotal function. It dynamically adapts to your filter conditions. This function allows you to perform calculations such as sums or averages while respecting the visibility of rows in your dataset. It's an essential tool when working with filtered data in Excel 365 and ensures your results stay accurate and meaningful according to the data shown.